Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick how-to. In this video, we're going to show you how you can add Discord audio to OBS Studio. First up, open your OBS app and then navigate to scene you're planning to use. Now, before we proceed, make sure your Discord is updated. To do that, go to Discord website. So as you can see here, you'll find the main website. So what you're going to do, you just need to download and install the latest version of Discord. So click on download for Windows and then you just need to click on save button and you just have to wait for a few seconds here. Now, as you can see, once you install the latest version, we can now go back to Discord. Now from here, you just need to go to your sources and then here just need to click on the plus icon and just have to choose application audio capture beta. So this feature allows you to capture the audio of individual applications and control their levels within OBS. Now we will have to name the source as Discord, then click OK button. So once you click on the OK button, you just have to select the window here and select the Discord app. There you go. Then click OK. And as you can see, Discord will now appear in the audio mixer. So there you have it. We have the Discord right here. And you should basically adjust the desktop audio to make sure that you disable all the desktop audio. So if you want to add additional audio sources like Spotify or any game sound, repeat the same process. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe and see you on the next video.